I'm trying my best to forget you, and my feelings I cannot express. For my sake I am asking in earnest, if you don't love me, why not confess? If you don't love me, why not confess?
Happy birthday, Dutch. Now we're going to get Johnny up here. He's been with us. He's played with our band off and on for the past 25 years. Every place we played, we'd get him up. Now he's kind of hanging in there with us regular. Johnny Shute from up around Fayetteville. Let's give him a hand. I know he's the new one. Thank you. As I said, Barry the banjo player. Let's give him a hand. He deserves it too. Jay Dixon, the finest fiddle player on the stage right now. Give him a hand, boy. And of course, this guy back here, you all know him, Mr. Reader, the top in dobro music. Give him a hand, he deserves it. Then the better half of me, the battle axe, Miss Betty. Give her a hand. That's all right, I can walk now. Johnny Shute, come up and sing one. Tell them what you're going to do.
Okay, let's do a little bit of Pan American.
Hey, that's right where that John died for 130.